Okay guys, just want to kind of show you the project that I was going to be doing here for the next couple of days. This is my garage. Obviously start off with cleaning it up and getting all these boxes out. Also, what I want to do is, in this garage there is one outlet that has been rigged up pretty poorly with extension cord. So I want to get that fixed. Also in here is just the one poor light. So I need to get some lighting and hang those across. So yeah, I'm going to be putting at least 4 more outlets in here. Some lighting, get everything cleaned up, get these shelves down, and then right now I'm doing this video off of my iPhone. I don't have a video camera, but hopefully by the time I start in on my table saw table, I'll have invested in a camera if I'm getting enough views. But for now, it's just going to be kind of updates of my progress, just because it's being done off of my iPhone. So I'm going to get started, and I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll see you next time.